here from the Institute of Applied Agriculture with another gardening tip video. Today we're going to talk a little bit about cover crops and how some of them are actually edible. So as you can see to my side and behind me, this is the spring landscape of our community learning garden, specifically our community garden section, and we have cover cropped it over the winter. Everything has sprung up in the spring. It's now the beginning of May, and it's almost time to turn it under and get ready to plant all of our delicious tomatoes, peppers, melons, cucumbers. But before we do that, we can actually eat some of these. So cover crops that I just referred to are planted to protect and replenish the soil over the winter. We do a mixture of things that are legumes and grasses that perform different functions for the soil. What I have before me are Austrian winter peas. That's the one I'm going to tell you about today. These guys, you see up close, this is one of the shoots of the Austrian winter pea, and you can eat it. In here we have a mixture of Austrian winter pea, hairy vetch, and crimson clover. So the peas you might recognize because they look just like other peas that you would plant as cash crops. And you can pick off the top 4 to 5 inches if they're still tender. And this is the part that you eat.